Hello everybody, this is Johan Vermeulen with Mobility Minded, and today we're going to take a look at the Powermat Wireless Charging. As you can see right in front of me right now, I got a package in from Powermat with a couple of items which we're going to go through. And the first item here in the box, as you can see, that is the wireless pad that will include one of the power cubes. Basically what the Powermat will allow you to do is to hook this up just to the regular outlet, and using this mat you can wirelessly charge your mobile devices by just putting them on there. So as you can see, this is the regular power mat. Then we got as well the wireless charging power mat, but it's the travel version. So we'll take a look at the travel version, and again that includes as well with a power cube with a lot of tips, which allows many devices to go on. Then we're going to take a look at the cradle for the iPod and the iPhone, so the iTouch, iPod, iPhone. So the cradle will just be put on the mat, and your phone, your iPod, your iPhone will be charging straight through this cradle. So without the cradle be connected to anything else except just putting it down on the mat. And another item I have is a special case that goes around the iPhone. We'll put that case around the iPhone, and by just the connector on the back, that will be just laying down on the mat, and once you lay that down on the mat with the iPhone in it, then your iPhone should get charged. So let me unpack these and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, now that everything is unpacked, I will show you really quickly how this power mat will work, and it's pretty interesting. As you can see, I got both of the power pads right in front of me. One is the travel version and one is the regular version. The regular version I have hooked up already, so both versions come with a nice roll-up extension cord that you plug into the back of it with a nice foldable part of for the socket. If you look at the back of the device, you'll see there's a USB port, so you can charge just like anything as an extension to a regular USB cable. You have the power cord that's attached to it right now. Then we have a button for the light and a button for the sound. Hitting the sound button gives you three options if you want to hear sound the moment it starts charging, no sound, or a softer sound. There's also a light button. By pushing that, you either can turn on the light or turn off the light. So when charging happens, you will see a nice little light in the front. Both devices, the travel version, as you can see, that comes with a nice little case where this fits in perfectly right there with this. So you can bring that with you. That's the travel version. Both versions, let me just take it back out here for a second. Both versions have the USB port and the two extra buttons, one for the light and one for the volume, and of course the plug-in for the power cord. So indeed, just plug it into one outlet and you can charge three devices at the same time. Now, the way you can charge three devices would be through what comes standard with it, what they call the cube. The cube just comes with it's a small little device that comes with a cord that comes out of it that has the mini USB. However, with that comes a box where you can store some other tips, and it comes in total with 7 tips, and the tips it comes for is the Samsung micro USB, the Apple connector, the LG, Sony, DSi, so for the Nintendos, and a DS Lite. So I don't have anything for the Nintendo DS, but they have cradles for that, and for the BlackBerry they have BlackBerry covers for their phone. However, I can show you later on the iPhone case. First, what I will show you is this Powermat cube that they come with. And since I have a device right here, I have the Touch Pro 2. So from HTC, I plug this in, and as you can see, I'll put it on. Let me just move this mat a little bit up. There we go. I'll put it on this. There's a little magnet that goes through it, and as you can see, did you hear it? There it goes. It's being charged. You can see it on the red light that goes right here. That is being charged right now. Now, according to the description, it will charge your device as normal and as fast as any normal charging would do. As you can see, there's a little light right here on the bottom that's on. So, real easy to connect it. If you have 2 of these, beautiful. Easy to travel with as well. Disconnect it, roll it back up, slide in position, and you have a nice little cube with a little thing, put it together, and it would be nice. Yeah, actually they do. There are little magnets to it, so they're drawn to it. Oh, there we go. That's better. So this works better. So there are magnets on the pads. This one as well. It draws it right through. Okay, so that's step one. Second option would be a cradle. This is the cradle for the iPod, iPhone, iTouch, anything that has the iPod connector or the Apple connector built into it. So basically, you can keep it on. It says it's charging right now, but let's take a look. Let's plug in my iPhone, and there it is. It's being charged right now. Take it up from the cradle, stop charging, put it back on, and you're all set. So you have to locate it perfectly, looks like it. There you go. Or maybe not. So this one still has a little bit of issues, looks like it. Let's try it on the other one. So I'm going to take a look here because that doesn't look right. That's charge. Hey, but that's what we do the reviews for, right? I guess it's working right now. It doesn't look like it's 100% there. The cube though did work right away. So maybe it's better indeed to have. Let me take a look. Take it off. Put it back on. It works. Great. Okay, let's take this off and let's put it in the case. As you can see, the case just slides off real easy. Just slide in the iPhone, connect it on the top, put the top part on it, and you kind of slide it together. There you go, all set. And you put your phone down, and it is charging, as you can see. Oops, just slide off the charging part. The magnet is not strong enough, as you can see, to keep it into a vertical position, so you put it horizontal. Real quick, this was it. I mean, I think, right now I can actually, since that one is charging as well, I can add, of course, a second device to it. And let's just put this one on. And there we go. I have two devices being charged right now. So, beautiful. That's it. This one has been charged. Other one is charging. 3 devices at the same time. Powermat is definitely a great solution. Cradle for the iPhones. Case for the iPhones, back battery covers for the Blackberries, and then for the Nintendo DS they have a cradle where you can snap in your device and put the cradle down as well on that stuff. There you go. I got an email in, guys. I gotta go. Thank you for watching this, and I'll post some more specifics with this article on Mobility Minded. Thanks again for watching.